All right, very quickly, I want to share with you how you can actually document your orders externally from droppers. This way, you are able to actually monitor what is going on in between your business directly without having any other interference. In fact, it helps you be so much involved and in love with your business. Now, if you want to use Excel sheet, it's very simple. Go to your Google Drive and go to drive.google.com. It is highly recommended you use a laptop for this. Don't go and be asking up and down if your phone will work with this. Well, it is highly recommended you use a laptop instead of a phone. Now, I'll quickly drop a document you can download and simply just go to your Excel on your laptop. If you run a Microsoft Office, it will just load on the Excel sheet right there. So if you are using here Google Drive directly, then you are just simply come here and create a new sheet, right? Go to Google Sheets and add new sheet or blank spreadsheet, right? Now I'm going to, once it loads, right, it's going to load up like this one. Now give you the document a title up here, Google Drive. Then everything here is already pre-made. Just use this simple sheet for yourself, right? So what you are seeing here is the yellow one right down here is to show that the customer order is cancelled, right? So you can change the yellow to something else, maybe red or whatever color. If that is color orange color, sorry, not yellow. So I can change that to maybe red or wherever I want to change it to, so to show that that order has been cancelled. Anyways, first thing first, you are seeing up here is the date, the business. You can put your business name, order ID, get it from droppers, customer number, of course, your customer details, which you receive to your email address as your orders are coming in, and then your full name, the customer full name, the delivery status of the order, maybe delivered, not delivered, delivery address of the customer name, which is the exact item that they are buying. Put the product name, the quantity they are buying is here, selling price, how much are you yourself selling, that is the price for this one here. Shipping cost, this is how much it costs you for shipment. Remember, you pay for shipping before droppers go on to deliver item. That is logistics that are attached to your product go on to deliver item. Now if it's a COD item, the same thing, right? Non-COD item, the same thing. So COD item just allows you to only pay for shipping. You enjoy not paying for product at all until items are delivered to customers. Handling cost, if there is any cost you want to put there, put it there. Ad cost, advert cost, this is the ad cost of marketing, which is the advert that you are running on Facebook, the cost that you, so if like yesterday you have 2 sales and you spent 5,000 naira yesterday, so you divide all your 2 sales by the 5,000, 2,500 naira each. So you put that 2,500 under each customer, showing that okay, you have 2 sales, 2,500 is what it costs you. But I just put 5,000 naira here. Now what you are seeing here is product buy cost. This is the amount that you are paying for the product, total cost when it is delivered to the customer. So this is the cost that you are paying for the product, right? This is the cost for it. Now that is the cost of the supplier in droppers. If you are taking payment on delivery, once all the money is received from the customer, this cost will be deducted for the product cost, and then shipping cost. If the shipping cost is above the normal shipping cost you may have paid on your account, it will be deducted too before the complete profit balance is sent to you. Now of course, with all that, now you can do your math. So you sell for 35,000, 5,000 shipping costs, handling costs, ad costs, product buy costs, which is a cost in droppers. Now there is a little code mathematics that is automatically done here. So under the profit tab, if you click on this 14,000 here, you see a code at the top here, right here. So I've already pre-written that code for you, automatically sum things and minus cost of things. So for instance, it says this selling price minus shipping and everything here, then equal to profit. So it's already done. Now if you have new orders, as you are adding new orders to this Excel, right, so you just simply drag on this profit, last one that is there, drag it to the next one. So let's assume you have multiple other orders here, or multiple orders here. So and these orders that you have here, you can, let me put like this, so we can just copy this and let me add it to the bottom here and add here. Okay, so let's assume that you have this now. Okay, let's just say you have these two. Now I'm going to remove this one and remove this one here. So you want to calculate this this particular customer details of this successful delivery. Of course, you know their name, everything should be listed proper. I'm just putting this as an example. Now I'm going to drag from here. So you see this, put my mouse and hold it from here. You see this icon, it has changed to this cross sign kind of, you see that it's changing, right, to the cross sign kind of stuff. When it changes to that cross sign, then you can click and hold and drag. So to that exact customer you want to calculate profit on, now you leave it and you drag it, then automatically calculates it. Now if it calculates the one that have not been delivered or failed, you just delete it, right? If the one that have not been delivered, in fact, delete the number there and change the color at the top here to whatever color that is supposed to be there, maybe red, and then that place is clean. Now this one I delete it. Maybe it's another customer there that is not delivered yet. I'll change the color back to white, which is the background. So like the right there, right? Now, but the one that I want to calculate is now here, and they're all calculated at 14,000 as profit. So I can change their color completely to show that it's successful. By clicking on where the line from the beginning here, you can see the mouse. Then I select this, right, and simply select maybe green to show it's successful. Then I do click the second one too. So at a glance, I can see my successful deliveries, right? I can, at a glance of things, I can see my successful deliveries, right? So this is very important to help you follow through what is going on in your business. Don't just assume my business is doing well or my business is not doing well. Always know your number for real, and then follow through your customers. Make sure that every customer is serviced properly well as a business owner, and equally make sure that the customers are repeating to come back to buy again. Always send them message, send them offers, send them promos as much as possible every weekend, in fact, if possible, depending on you, right? Do have a lovely one.